A speeding Porsche, flames, total wreckage, but the real question is, will insurance pay? This isn't from a movie, this happened in broad daylight in Singapore on Nicoll Highway. A high-speed tragedy unfolded on Nicoll Highway. The blue Porsche 911 Carrera screamed down the road. It was a machine built for speed, a status symbol in the heart of Singapore. But on this day, speed turned deadly. Witnesses could only watch in horror as the Porsche, driven by Mr. Jeffrey Lo Chong Hao, director of Chee Song Foods, veered across lanes. It mounted a curb, a blue streak against the gray concrete. The Porsche slammed into multiple cars, the sound of crunching metal echoing in the air. The impact sent the luxury vehicle careening into a highway divider. A final terrible impact, then flames. The blue Porsche, once a symbol of power and prestige, was now an inferno, consuming itself on the asphalt. Mr. Lo, a young and successful entrepreneur, did not survive the crash. He leaves behind questions, grief, and a tangled web of insurance claims. This tragedy serves as a stark reminder of the potential consequences of reckless driving. It also highlights the critical importance of understanding how insurance policies function in such devastating events. Insurance exists to protect us from unforeseen events, but even insurance has its limits. When it comes to reckless driving, those limits become glaringly apparent. In the case of Mr. Lo's accident, the speed at which he was traveling will be a key factor in determining insurance coverage. Eyewitness accounts and preliminary investigations suggest that Mr. Lo was traveling at an excessively high speed, potentially between 140 and 160 kilometers per hour. Such speeds, far exceeding legal limits, immediately trigger what are known as dangerous driving exclusions within insurance policies. These exclusions are designed to protect insurance companies from bearing the financial burden of reckless actions. In essence, by exceeding the speed limit to a significant degree, Mr. Lo's actions may have voided coverage for any damage to the Porsche itself. This means that Chee Song Foods, the company that owned the vehicle, could be left with the financial burden of a totaled luxury car. This example underscores a crucial point. Knowing what your insurance policy covers and what it excludes is paramount. The investigation into Mr. Lo's accident will likely extend beyond his speed. Authorities will examine the Porsche itself for any illegal modifications. Modifications, particularly those that enhance a vehicle's performance, can further complicate insurance claims. If investigators discover, for example, that the Porsche's engine had been illegally tuned to increase horsepower, it could lead to further exclusions. Insurance policies are based on the premise that the insured vehicle is in a standard and legal condition. Modifications that alter performance can increase the risk of accidents, and insurance companies are within their rights to deny claims if such modifications are found. Additionally, toxicology reports are pending to determine if Mr. Lo was under the influence of alcohol or drugs at the time of the accident. If the results are positive, it would constitute a clear violation of most insurance policies, and likely result in a complete denial of any claims. The tragic crash on Nicoll Highway offers a sobering lesson in the importance of understanding one's insurance policy. While no one expects to be involved in such a horrific accident, it is crucial to be aware of the terms and conditions that govern your coverage. Take the time to read your policy carefully. Pay attention to the fine print, particularly sections related to exclusions and limitations. If you have any questions or require clarification, reach out to your insurance provider. Understanding your policy can be the difference between financial security and devastating loss, especially in the aftermath of an accident. The tragic case of Mr. Lo and the burning Porsche on Nicoll Highway serves as a stark reminder. Knowledge of your insurance policy is not just important, it's essential. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on any future updates.